Hello, today we're going to use Play-Doh to learn how to write Chinese words. So first of all, we will need a piece of paper as a mat on the table so the Play-Doh will not stick on anywhere or it's easier to show this how they create the words. So first of all, let's go over with what's the Chinese words we're going to work on today. We'll learn numbers from 1 to 10. So this is E means 1, E. This is R, means 2, R. This is sun, means 3. This is 4, means 4. This is 5, means 5. This is 6, means 6. This is 7, means 7. This is 8, means 8. This is 9, means 9. This is 10, means 10. So I have all kinds of different colors of Play-Doh, so we can choose any one we would like. One of the container will be punning for the kids to use. The reason for me to choose letters with the Play-Doh activity because the letters is very easy. The numbers is very easy to create the words. So we can try to find a harder word to create. I think 5 is have the most strokes for this word. So let's do a 5. 5 is 5. I choose blue, 蓝色. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 4 strokes, so I'm going to divide the Play-Doh into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So first of all, let me make the first line on the top over here. The first line on the top. And make a line and place it on the mat. The second stroke when you do is a 竖. This is the first one is 横, second one is 竖. 竖 means going straight down. And number 3 strokes is 横折, is going straight and down. 横折. So 横折. 横折. And last one we have over here is the bottom line is 横. So this one is super long, so we have to make sure it's long. And then we stick on the paper. Here it's 5, it's 5. 5. That's what we did. 5. Use a Play-Doh to let the kids to create the Chinese characters. Could help the kids to know the structure of the words, which line goes where, and that is help them hand with their brain connect together, try to create the words of this with Play-Doh into the Chinese characters. Okay, today we're going to learn numbers, and then we're going to use Play-Doh to write the Chinese words. Okay, so the first words we're working on is E. Can you say E? E is a 1. It's a E, right? This one is what? R. R is a 2. R is a 2. Next one? Sun. Sun is a 3, right? Sun is a 3. Okay. Yes, I did. 4. 4 is a 4. Very good. 4 is a 4. 4, 4. Okay. Next one is 5. 5 is a 5. 5 is a 5. And next one is 6. 6 is a 6 is a 6. 6 is a 6. 7 is a 7. Very good. 7 is 7. 8 is a 8. I think I forgot to show 7. 7 is 7. 9 is a I did. 9 is a 9. Very good. 10 is a 10. 10. It's a 10. Very good. So we're going to choose the Play-Doh. What color do you want, Thomas? Green. Very good. What color do you want, Alan? Blue. Good job.
Now.
Okay. And which word do you want to choose? What's this one?
4.
4. 4. Very good. 4. Alan, which one do you want?
Wow.
Cool. Which one do you want?
Alan, you could. Alan, watch.
One?
Me.
You want to do
Alan.
one?
Alan.
Okay.
I need to mush it first.
Okay. Now to make 4.
This is how you make it in Chinese.
Words, yep. This is how you learn Chinese words. Make it 4.
What is the most hardest one?
In China, there's a lot of hard words to write it. There's a lot.
No, like the hardest number here.
I think 5 is pretty hard. You want to try to make a 5?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try to
I
make a
think
5.
I'll need
Can you
more
say
Play-Doh.
ooh? Ooh, it's a 5, right?
I have to get it all this stuff mushed.
You want more Play-Doh?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Cool. Thomas, do you want more Play-Doh?
Yeah. Okay. First. Like first, guys, you grab blue and you turn it like this. And next, you grab another piece of blue and do this.
Very good. I like it.
Oh, we need some more. Whoa. Now, that's pretty long. Whoa.
Okay. Keep making it. 4 is 4.
是
7.
7
That's 5. 这是5。
5
This is 4, right? This is 4. It's 4. It's 4.
Can I make whatever I want? Guys.
Very good. 5. 5.